Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube page. Today we're gonna try to build a mechanical hand or prosthetic hand, whatever you say. Just I have many free time, so I just need to pass my time and design something useful. So let's get started. First of all, I just start from this area, design this rod and four nuts into welded into it. So let's weld it and cut it. Yeah, guys, I just finished this today works. Today I just want to call it a day. So I just built the palm area of the arm. So in the future I will resume with the making the arm, this part of the hand or the fingers. I can make the fingers, but I figure it out. I don't have enough nuts, so I decided to make this video part. So this is enough for part one. See you in the next time.